In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to set up your budgets. First click Budgets on the portal. You will now see under your fleet a variety of items. In this example you can see the current spend, the budget, the reset interval, the action on 50%, action on 90% and action on 100%. Below are all the different items you can set a budget for example the external API bookings. Let's say we enter a budget of £5. The reset interval can be set to do not reset, midnight every day, Monday every week, every 1st and 15th of the month, or every 1st of the month. So for this interval we're going to set to Monday every week. Action on 50% is what will happen once the budget's been met at 50%, action on 90% and action on 100%, based on the budget and the reset interval. You can adjust these to whatever method you prefer. Once done, click Update Fleet Budgets. To add any other items, click on Add Budget item. You'll then be able to use the drop down to select the item, for example SMS messaging. Then click Add Item. Once you've done this, you can go ahead and set your budget again. So in this example, let's set it to £50. We know we don't want to spend more than £50 every month, so we'll set to the 1st of every month. Action on 50%, we'll send an email. Action on 90%, we'll go ahead and send an email and an SMS, and once we reach 100%, we'll send an email, SMS and block further charges. Once done, hit Update Fleet Budgets.